John Morgan of Rhiwpera. Sir John Morgan, 4 January 1671, 7 March 1720, was a Welsh politician who sat in the House of Commons from 1701 to 1720. Morgan was the youngest son of Sir William Morgan and his wife and cousin Blanche. When his elder brother Sir Thomas Morgan died without surviving children in 1700, he inherited the family's Tredegar Estate, the two middle brothers having predeceased him. Morgan, a strong Whig, entered the House of Commons as Member of Parliament for Monmouthshire. He was created custos rotulorum of the county the same year, in succession to his brother. In 1715 Morgan inherited Rhiwperra Castle and the manor of Gwynllwg from his uncle, Sir John Morgan, and obtained the Lord Lieutenancy of the county and also of Brecknockshire. By his wife Martha Vaughan, Morgan had two sons, Sir William Morgan, upon whom he settled the Tredegar Estate, and Sir Thomas Morgan, upon whom he settled Rhiwpera. He also had a daughter, Martha, who married the third Earl of Oxford. He died in 1720, and was buried on 19 March 1720 at Machen. References